In a busy distribution center, how can you increase productivity and profitability? By freeing up your employees' hands and eyes. Honeywell Guided Work takes the paper and screens that slow down operational processes and replaces them with voice-guided workflows. The technology enables teams to work more efficiently with fewer errors and greater safety for businesses of any size. With Honeywell Guided Work, a headset and an Android-powered mobile device, or the Honeywell A700X, directs workers using best-in-class voice recognition. Mobile workers interact with the application through voice commands. A real-time connection to the host system ensures that inventory records are always up to date. Honeywell Guided Work offers standard integrations to host system providers. Once integrated, Honeywell Guided Work can optimize your team's productivity using advanced data collection and analytics. Real-time monitoring means better informed decisions and the opportunity for continuous improvements. When targets are being missed, you can act swiftly to address any problems and get back on track. Voice guidance gets employees to where they need to be, even in noisy and harsh environments, with a range of hardware and software options to meet your requirements. Honeywell Guided Work can lead workers through a variety of workflows relating to distribution centers and transportation and logistics, with every action documented, ensuring strict compliance with regulations and standard operating procedures. With their hands free, voice-guided workers can focus on the job. Honeywell Guided Work has been shown to increase productivity, correct picking errors and boost order accuracy, improve worker safety, and reduce training time, all contributing to a business that runs better and smarter.